Hi guys, it's Dr. Mohammad Usman and I am back with another video. If you haven't liked my YouTube channel, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. You can also visit my Facebook page for updates. So let's talk about today's topic. So today we'll be talking about the steps to resolve the situational conflicts. So basically we are having 5 different steps. The step number 1 is setting the scene. Step number 2 is gathering the information. Step number 3 is agreeing to a problem. Step number 4 is brainstorming possible solutions. Step number 5, negotiating a solution. We will look into further details on each of them, like what you can do in each steps to resolve your situational conflicts. As we know that our situational conflicts are temporary and they are likely due to a certain situation. So to resolve them, we have to work on all these steps. So number 1 is that you have to understand the situational rationally. You have to understand what is the situation about and why the situation is causing that conflicts. On number 2 role, you will be understanding each other needs and concerns. You will ask the other person why he is in the conflict or why he is angry or having a conflict with us. On number 3, you will define a mutual problem. You will work on the problem and you will try to find out the problem which is causing the conflict. As it is a situational conflict, there must be a situation in which the problem is provided and the problem is creating that conflict. On number 4, we have to work on the possible solutions. We have to think on all the possible solutions on the problem which we have identified in step 3. We will think of all the possible things which we can do to resolve the situational conflict. On the last note, we have negotiating a solution, which is to come to a solution and that should be agreed by both groups and the parties to resolve the situational conflicts. And by this one, we can also avoid the situational conflicts and we can move into a situation in which both parties are agreeing on the situations and the solution. So we should try to reach out a solution which can be accepted by both of the parties. This is the way to resolve the situational conflict in your organizations. So this video was up to here. If you like my video, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. You can also earn training certificate from our video channel. The process is as follows and it is easy for you. We have issued many certificates for many participants and you can also get special certificates. So what you are waiting for, go today to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. Thank you.